Sometimes, the smallest drop can begin the biggest discovery. At the Department of Biotechnology at Brainware University, science moves beyond theories and enters the world of experience. Here, laboratories become spaces where curiosity transforms into innovation. Inside the Advanced Animal Biotechnology Lab, students explore the fascinating science of life through hands-on learning, advanced experimentation, and guided research. Biotechnology is not only about discovery, it is about precision. Inside the laminar airflow environment, students learn the discipline and accuracy required in real scientific research.
এটা laminar airflow, এটা একটা এলপি ব্রথ। এখানে আমরা একটা ব্যাকটেরিয়ার কালচার ইনোকিউলাম করলাম and এটাকে স্টেরিলাইজ করা হয়েছে।
From advanced laboratory techniques to applications like extraction of insecticide, students understand how biotechnology creates solutions for agriculture, healthcare, and the environment. And every experiment here leads toward a larger purpose, building successful careers and meaningful innovation. Today, biotechnology students from Brainware University are making their mark across industries and organizations.
Advanced Animal Biotechnology Cell Lab, and here I am doing a hands-on experiment on lung adenocarcinoma cell, which is the A549 cell line.
আমি অনন্যা সেনগুপ্ত, PhD scholar of Department of Biotechnology, and my PhD topic is developing probiotic here. So it is a liquid nitrogen tank and it is used for the long-term storage for the cells.
With future-ready programs like BSc Biotechnology, BTech Biotechnology, and MSc Biotechnology, the department prepares the scientists, innovators, and researchers of tomorrow. Because the future of biotechnology does not begin with certainty, it begins with curiosity, the courage to experiment, and the vision to discover something new. Department of Biotechnology Brainware University. Admission open 2026. Call 70444 47723.